Hello everyone, welcome to SL Education channel. In this video, I will give you an introduction to Azure Databricks. Azure Databricks is a data analytics platform optimized for the Microsoft Azure Cloud Services platform. It is used to process large workload of data. Azure Databricks offers three environments for developing data-intensive applications: Databricks Data Science and Engineering, Databricks Machine Learning, Databricks SQL. Azure Databricks users can easily access Azure Databricks components. It's all start with Apache Spark. Apache Spark is an open source, fast and general engine for large-scale data processing, including Spark SQL, streaming, machine learning, and graph. With just a few clicks, you can start a cluster tuned by Apache Spark at Databricks. In the Data Science and Engineering workspace, you can create collaborative notebook using Python, Scala, SQL, or R. Apache Spark, Delta Lake, MLflow. Databricks built on these technologies to deliver a true lakehouse architecture. Thank you for watching this video.